Namaste, welcome to Sasreka's kitchen. Today I am making a special dosa with loofah gourd. It's a very delicious and crispy dosa. To make loofah gourd dosa, I took 2 medium-size loofah gourds. Loofah gourd is also known as Nethi Beerakaya in Telugu. Wash the loofah gourd and cut into small pieces. You don't need to peel the skin because the skin is very soft. After cutting into pieces, take all the pieces into your blender jar. Now let us add a few spices to it. Here I have 2 green chilies, 2-inch piece of ginger, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a few fresh curry leaves. I am going to grind all these together into a fine puree. Take the ground puree into a container and rinse the jar with a little bit of water and add it to the puree. Let us add the other ingredients. 1 cup of rice flour, half a cup of wheat flour, or you can use maida, and half a cup of suji or semolina. So I am going to add all these 3 ingredients into the loofah and the spices puree. Mix them all together. After mixing everything, add more water to bring it into a loose pouring consistency. Now add a handful of finely chopped onion and finely chopped cilantro. Also add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Again, give it a good mix. Feel free to add more water for a loose consistency batter. Heat the cast iron pan on medium heat, and when the pan is hot, pour the batter. Before pouring, mix it again, otherwise semolina will settle down in the vessel. So mix it again and pour the batter on the pan. Sprinkle some oil all over the dosa. When it gets crispy, remove it from the pan. You can make a soft dosa or a crispy dosa. Serve it hot with your favorite chutney. Today I made some tomato chutney and I also have some basil chutney. So I am going to serve it with both basil and tomato chutneys. I will give the links below. You can watch those videos. Basil chutney is very interesting. Please do try that chutney also. Thank you all for watching my video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to like my Facebook page. Also visit my Telugu channel for more interesting recipes and other videos. Thanks again. See you in my next video. Until then, happy cooking.